If you can't get a professional sear on your steak, the problem might not be your heat. It's likely your pan's geometry is trapping moisture instead of releasing it. At Wade Media Labs, we audited 12 leading pans to measure their evaporation rate. We wanted to define the technical difference between a true skillet and a common frying pan. We introduced a standardized volume of water to each pan at a constant 400 degrees. We then measured the evaporation coefficient, the speed at which liquid transitions to vapor across the surface. The names are often used interchangeably, but the physics are different. A true skillet has flared sides to maximize evaporation. A frying pan has more vertical walls, which can inadvertently trap a layer of steam. Our data showed that 4 out of the 12 pans had evaporation rates 25% lower than the group average. These pans aren't searing your food, they are essentially steaming it in its own juices. The winners utilized a specific vapor release angle. By combining high thermal mass with wide, flared geometry, these pans ensure that moisture is evacuated the moment it leaves the protein. Don't let your equipment dictate your results. In the workshop of the kitchen, if your pan can't breathe, your crust can't form. See the full evaporation logs, the geometry maps, and our 3 SEER champions at cookwarescout.com. Look for the evaporation rate audit.